Hi everyone. Today in this video we will discuss about instruction code, instruction format, direct address and indirect address. Moving forward firstly to the instruction code. We should have a basic idea about a program and instruction in order to know about instruction code. Hence, program is a set of instructions which specify operations, operands and sequence at which instruction is to be executed. Moving on to instruction. Instruction mainly specifies an operation to be performed. Okay? An instruction mainly specifies an operation to be performed. If you perform any operation in the register, then it is called micro operation. If you perform any operation in the register, then it is called micro operation. Okay? We have various micro operations like arithmetic, shift, logical, which means addition. Addition is represented as 0, 0, 0. Subtraction 0, 0, 1. And is a logic gate 0, 1, 0. Or is also a logic gate 0, 1, 1. And next after or we have not. Not is also a logic gate. So after this we have shift left, which stands for and shift right. Okay, then swap is triple one, which means 7. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and 7. All these operations are executed by ALU. Next, moving on to instruction format. This, as you all see, is a instruction format. Basically, instruction format is a set of bits which specifies the operation to be performed. Generally, this instruction format's size is in multiples of 8, which means 16, 32, 24, 64, like that. Hence, this instruction format is divided into 3 parts. Which first one is address. So here, let we took the size of the instruction format as 16 bits. Hence, the address format size is from 0 to 11. That means 12 bits. Okay. Then the next division of instruction format is opcode. The size of the opcode is 3 bits. And I stands for indirect address. If I is equal, the size of this I is 1. If I is 0, it is direct address. If I is 1, it is indirect address. Okay. This instruction format can store up to 2 power 1 2 words, which means 4096 words. If we again simplify, 0 to 4095. This address means it specifies the location, it specifies the memory location where the specific address is located. Then opcode. Opcode is the instruction that is executed by the CPU. Moving on to the demonstration of direct and indirect address. Here in the memory, here it is 0. Hence, it is a direct address. Okay. If it is 0 and if it is a direct address, we have effective address. So this 457 is a effective address. Correct only. Now this 457 goes to the address and this points out the operand. Operand means, as you all know, it is the data or memory location used to execute that instruction, that particular instruction. Operand means it is the data or memory location used to execute the instruction. So this effective address goes to the particular location and this points out to operand. From this, it directly performs the instruction given. So here we have adder. In this adder place, we may have other operations like subtraction, etc., etc. We perform this operation depending upon the instruction given. So we perform here adder. So after this, it goes to accumulator. This is ACC means accumulator. So after this accumulation, it again goes to this value again goes to adder, and it gives the required output. Next, moving on to indirect address. Here in indirect address, the value will be 1. If it is 1, we should identify that it is a indirect address. So in this memory indirect address operation, it is like this. The value 300 is indirect, so we have to go to that address, that particular 300 address. So we find the value of the operand 1350. Hence we have to again come to 1350 location and we have to find what is the value present over there. That means the operand. And after this thing, we just move on to adding the value. Depending upon the instruction, what the operation is present, we move on to that and find the value. We go to accumulator, and then finally moving to adder. So this is indirect address. Only the difference between indirect address and direct address means effective address is the difference. Thank you for this video.